Hey guys, so you want to make a 3D model, but you want to see how AI can do it faster for you. You're in the right place. I'm John, the founder of Z3D, and at Z3D, you can make 3D models for free with AI. It's really simple. So just click start, and this is our studio. To make a 3D model in the most simple and straightforward way, just upload an image and click generate 3D model. And the AI is going to start generating it for you. We recommend adding more than one image. We can do up to 5 images. And ideally, these images are of the same object in the same posture from different angles. Because looking at the Charmander here, you can only see the front of it, but you can't really see the back of it. And if there's anything hiding in the back, the AI can only guess from this one single image. But if you have another image of the backside, then the AI can 100% know what the color, what model, and what to generate. So this is the simplest way to generate a 3D model. Depending on what you want to do with it, if you want to rig it, then you would come to advanced settings and click TA pose, and that would give you the character in TA pose, so you can rig it easily. And if you're making a game or just an asset in the back, then what I would recommend is in the quality level, click low. So it would give you 4K faces. What you can do is you can remesh it into a lower poly version. And then for the texture, you can just bake it back. So that's how you would get a production ready asset for your game. And yeah, for some of the other settings like hyper detail or smooth mesh, depending on what you want to create, if you want smoother or more sharper edges, then you would just take that. So it would change the style of your model. And this is really good because it only takes about 2 minutes to generate. And if you're in a game jam or if you're just prototyping, you can have your model pretty quick without working it from the start and spending hours on it. So our Charmander is ready. This is pretty good. We can do these models pretty well. And now we can just export. We support GLB, USDZ, OBJ, and STL, and FBX is coming soon. So either you're doing interior design, game design, animation, film, 3D printing, anything that involves a 3D model, our files support all the export options. So you can just click and you would have your models out. And this is it, pretty simple and pretty quick. Hope you enjoy Z3D. If you like what we're building, please join our Discord and talk to me there, and have a good day.